All right, guys. Good morning. Saturday morning. We just got done 2500 right here. Put some electrical steps on it. Rough country. Now we got this one right here. We're about to do a leveling kit from rough country. So we already got the stuff taken off, the wheels taken off. Got to take off the brackets, take off the wheel sensor. So then we're gonna take off the spindle, the tie rod, sway bar, and yeah, this is what the kit looks like. Let's get to it. So installing this leveling kit is kind of pretty much straightforward. It's an easy job. One thing that I hate about these is on the passenger side, they have this plastic part here that blocks the top screws, the top bolts, top nuts. So there's three of them up here. So you gotta find a way to like pry this out and move it out of the way. But I think that's one of the more difficult parts about this install. We're gonna take out this tie rod, 21 socket. And then I'm gonna leave the nut there a little bit loose, just hand tighten, so we can hammer it out. It's tight right now, so we just gotta give it a couple hits, and then it should pop out. Okay. So for this side, the top bolts are 18 millimeter. So I said it's plastic earlier. I like to just kind of pry it up enough like that, and then just get the wrench right over. Let's see, the ratcheting wrench. It's there. Okay. So the rear one. Let me see. I can try to show you guys. Let's see. The rear one back here. All right. So there's a plastic over the bolt here. So you gotta kind of pry it out in order to put the wrench through. So okay, there you go. Got it out. I don't know. Let's see. So there. See, it's right there. So there it is. That's that. 18 as well, right? Oh, got to remove the wheel sensor. All right. This is the part we send up the tie rod. So what you want to do? Get your motivation tool. Give it a little motivation to come out.
One eternity later.
There you go. Sometimes it's much easier than that. Sometimes it's much harder than that. All right, now tie rod, 18 millimeter socket. All right, now for the strut bolts, it is 15. Go. All right. The tie rod in. It's gonna help us support. Oh, there you go. All right. So for the spindle, this pry bar. Go. Now, gotta tighten the tie rod and the sway bar link. So, all right. So here it is, completed. It's 1500 with a 2-inch rough country leveling kit. Pretty straightforward install.